Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick tutorial on Lilly Lashes in the style DELARA, which is a 3D faux mink bandless lash, and unfortunately it isn't available anymore on their website, but you can find it on beautybay.com. It retails for $25 on beautybay.com, and you can wear these lashes up to 20 times, so that's super exciting and convenient. So now we're going to do the tutorial, and as you can see, I did size it to my eye and it's kind of perfect, so I don't have to cut off anything. I applied glue and let it get tacky first, and I usually like to take regular tweezers first and let the glue touch the inner corner to the outer corner of my lash line, and then even if the glue touches, it's not going to go anywhere, so don't be afraid, and you can always adjust like I am in this video, and you'll be fine as long as you touch the lash line. So after you apply it to your liking, I like to then go in with the lash applicator, which is the flat tweezer, and I bind my natural lashes with my false lashes to create a natural effect and make sure that it's kind of binded together, which I definitely think is one of the most important parts of applying false lashes and a must do. And I think it's just great looking after you do these two steps. So here is the end result. I absolutely love it. It is a style that flares out, so it's perfect for the cat eye or wing liner, and it's beautiful, natural, and yet it's also perfect for a bolder look. So that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.